Hello dear students, welcome to another video on the topic verb. Today we are going to learn is, am, are, was, where verbs. These verbs are called the be verbs or the helping verbs. Now let's go to the next slide and learn more about verbs. So students, as discussed in our previous classes, there are three types of verb, that is main verbs, be verbs or being verbs. We also call it a helping verb and have verb. So here, earlier we learned and discussed about the main verb. We learned that it is a doing word that shows an action. For example, eat, run, walk, go, etc. So the main verbs are the words that shows an action, the doing word. Now next we have be verb or being verb. We also call it as a helping verb. These verbs are is, am, are, was, where, will be, and being are the be verb that show the state of a person or things. So this verb shows the state of a person or thing. That is, example is given here, Rita is a girl. Now here Rita is. Is the verb which show the state of a person, Rita, that she is a girl. So now here is act as a main verb. There is no any other verb, so this is act as a main verb. Now let's see next example. She is going to school. Now here is came before the main verb going to school. So here is act as an helping verb. So this verb sometimes act as a main verb and most of the time they act as a helping verb. So we call it as a helping verb. Now let's go to the have verb. Has, have and have verb tells us about belongings or ownership. They are also used as helping verb. They are also used as a helping verb. Example, Shruti had a red ball. Now here, Shruti had a red ball. Had word shows the ownership of the ball. So who owned the ball? Shruti. So had show the ownership of the ball. That is Shruti. Now next example, I had done my homework. Now here had act as a helping verb before the main verb done. Done is to do. When your work is done, then you say I had done my homework. So children, these are the three types of verb: main verb, be verb or being verb. We also call it helping verb. Have verb, they are also called as helping verb. So these are the three types of verb. Now let's learn about is, am, are and its uses in the next slide. So students, today we will discuss about is, am, are, was and where. As discussed in the previous slide, these words are called the helping verb or the be verb. So these verbs sometimes act as a main verb and most of the time they act as a helping verb. Now let's see the example here. I am happy. She is an artist. They are good children. Shiza was unwell today. These boys were not present in the class. Now, I am. The verb am goes with I when we talk about something in present, that is now. Then next we have she is an artist. We use is with a singular noun or pronoun. They are. So we use are with plural noun or pronoun. Caesar was unwell today. So Caesar is singular and we use was to tell about something which happened already before in the past. These boys were not present in the class. Now here boys is a plural. So we will use plural. For plural we are going to use where, plural noun or pronoun. For plural noun and pronoun we are going to use where. And where is used when we talk about the thing which happened already. That is in the past. Okay, so these are some examples. Now let's see the uses of these verbs when we are going to use this verb in the next slide. So this is a chart where we see the uses of this verb for the given noun or pronoun, that is I am in present. In present means when we talk about now. When we talk something now, when we tells or talks about something that is happening now, that is present. And past. Past is about something which have already happened. Okay, which is already done. So that things, when we talk about that thing or when we tell about something that happened already, that is called a past. So with pronoun I am in present, was in past. He, she, it. Any singular noun or pronoun he, she, it, we are going to use the verb is and was in the past. Then any plural noun or pronoun like you, we, they, we are going to use are in present and were in the past. So this is the table of the uses of is, am, are, was, and were. So with this, here come to the end of the slide. So we'll meet again with more examples and more topics in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye-bye.